I've just been having a hard time finding real estate investing groups here. It seems like a lot of people have just kind of left because everything cooled down so much. A lot of people have gone inactive in the groups that I have found. And so I'm like, is it even worth trying to do
in Boise?
Backyard market? Yeah.
No, you're in a great market. Don't leave your market. Your market's awesome. Here's what you've just got to know. All the fly-by-night investors left, right? So the guys paying 85 cents on the dollar, they're gone. Hedge funds are gone. All the retail buyers paying way over value. They're not buying at those numbers again. All the inflation is gone, right? Now it's just getting back to normal. So now Boise's just normal now, meaning it's got to be a deal. Buyers are buying right, but they're still flippers. They're still buy and hold. They're still investors. There's still deals. There's still retail buyers. All of that's there. It's just not easy anymore like it was. Right. It's not 40% appreciation. It's normal. So you can still do good. You just have to get back to the basics.
Yeah. So the a part of that though was too, it's like a lot of the people that have been reaching out to are those fly-by-night people. And so like, I'll just have to keep looking around, trying to find the people that are big and active. And then the second question was, well, I guess you kind of already answered that. So I'll just leave that there.
Yeah. So like one strategy is James has a strategy where he's contacting recent cash buyers. So if you think about it, if you could pull a list of cash buyers that bought in the past 90 days, those are active buyers in today's market. 6 months ago, 9 months ago, no, they might have been overpaying, but not buyers today. Like I'm buying today deeper and deeper, right? Because that's what you've got to do to be successful. So the investors that are in the market today are going to be legit buyers. They're going to be following really strict buy criteria. They're going to want a deal. So I wouldn't worry so much about that. Like my belief system is get a good deal and the buyer will come. We tend to be afraid of that because we're like, man, I don't really want to go lock up something if I don't know that I have a buyer. But just if you get a good deal, there's always a buyer, even in Boise, even in today's market. Just make sure you've got a good deal. And all the same things work. The investor pages work, the list work, everything works. It just means you got to just make sure you've got a good deal.